In the next few months, pretty much every company is going to be releasing new phones, and they'll be bragging about all the amazing new features these new phones have to get you to replace your old or kind of old phone.
5G.
And let's face it, we all love our phones, especially new ones. In fact, 84% of people can't go a single day without texting, calling their moms, scrolling the web, or watching cat videos. But your phone isn't just a magical digital portal. It impacts the real world more than you might think. Making a phone uses almost 60% of the elements found on the periodic table, and we make a lot of phones. Almost 1.5 billion phones are made and sold every year, and the resources used to make those phones are finite. Even if you recycle your old phone, up to 35% of those resources are lost in the recycling process. Take rare earth metals. Without them, your phone wouldn't buzz, your screen wouldn't light up, and your phone wouldn't be nearly as useful as it is now. But rare earths are rare. And mining them requires pumping a lot of harsh chemicals into a lot of dirt, producing toxic waste, hurting the environment and surrounding communities. All of that for phones we only keep for a year or two before we throw them out. And yes, we toss out a lot of phones. According to the EPA, between 130 million and 150 million phones are abandoned in the US every year. And according to the World Economic Forum, extending the lifespan of smartphones and other electronic devices by just 1 year can save as much carbon emissions as taking 2 million cars off the road each year. This year, instead of rushing to replace your phone, try and keep it around a little longer. It's an easy way that you can make an impact by just not buying something new.